Hello dear students, welcome to TEJOMAYA YouTube channel. So in this session, we are going to discuss about how to plot the graph of electric potential with distance due to point charges. We have studied that electric potential due to point charge is given by V is equal to K Q by R, right? That is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. So this K value is this much. And here if you observe carefully, that electric potential due to point charge varies inversely with distance. So if you plot a graph of electric potential with the distance for a positive charge, how do you get? You'll get a graph like this. And it extends till infinity. So this side, the graph goes like this. So here we have the positive charge, right? Here we have the positive charge plus Q. And here we have negative point charge. This is separate one. Yeah, negative point charge. How do you plot the graph of electric potential versus distance? So here you have to take the graph in the third quadrant and fourth quadrant like this, because it is negative charge, so we consider it as negative potential. The graph goes like this. Okay, so this is for a point positive charge and a point negative charge. What about the system of two charges? What if we have system of two charges? Let us discuss about them. Here we have system of two charges, both of them are charged plus q and plus q. So how do we draw electric potential versus distance graph? So here in this we have positive charge, take from positive V and it goes like this. And here we have positive charge, so it goes like this. This is the region 1, this is the region 2, and this is the region 3. So the region 1, the potential is like this, region 3 potential is like this. So here in the region 2, the potential decreases in this direction, and this side potential decreases. So there will be a graph like this, where electric potential is not zero. Here there is the potential is not zero. In this case also potential is not zero. In this case also there is no potential zero case. But what about the electric field? Dear student, how do we write the expression for electric potential? Electric potential, electric field in terms of electric potential, that is given by E is equal to dV by dr. This is nothing but slope, right? Slope of velocity versus distance graph. Look at this. If you observe at this point, let me consider this point C. What is the slope of the graph here? At this point, the slope is 0. So therefore, here the electric field is 0. Electric potential is not 0, but electric field is 0. So this point is called equilibrium point. Equilibrium point. So actually it is on the line joining the two charges. Okay, that is that. So what if we have negative charge? Minus q minus q. The graph will be like this. Like this. This is the first region. So electric potential is not 0. Even electric field is also not 0. If you come here, the electric potential varies like this. Okay, so electric potential not 0. Electric field is also not 0 anywhere between these 2 points, are outside these 2 points. But between the two charges, potential from negative charge you take from negative side and comes this side. Positive charge comes like this. Okay, so at one point there will be a point where electric field is 0. So this point, let's consider C, where electric field is 0 because the slope is 0, right? Slope is 0, therefore electric field is 0. But electric potential is not 0. There will be some electric potential there. Okay, this is how we draw electric potential versus distance graph for minus q, opposite to plus q plus q. So what if we have plus q minus q? So for plus q, start from positive y-axis. For negative charge, start from negative y-axis. So in the region 1, so the graph will be like this. So electric, let me write like this. Okay, so electric field is not 0, electric potential is also not 0, right? But in this case, between these 2 points, there will be a point where electric potential is 0 because due to positive charge, negative charge get cancelled. Electric field is not 0. Electric field is not 0, but there is a point where electric potential is 0. That is this point. So you can get it by drawing like this. So this side, from negative side, you can start and reach it like this. So this is the point where electric potential is 0, but electric field is not 0. Then this side, it's like this. This is how the position versus electric potential versus distance graph looks like for plus q minus q. Let me give you one more example wherein I have this one, V versus R for 4 plus q and minus q. Here we will get two null points, 2 points where electric potential is 0. One is somewhere here and one is somewhere here. So here also the potential will be 0 and here also the potential will be 0. Okay, so how to plot the graph? Graph goes like this. This one goes like this. And this side goes like this and meets this point. And this side, the graph will be like this. And it goes in this direction and comes back. So at this point, okay, slope is 0. So at this point, the electric field is 0. That is called the equilibrium point. Equilibrium point. Clear? This is how we have to plot the graph for electric potential versus distance for this case. And what about the next case? Here, try solving this by your own. You can write down this and yeah. So here we have q and here I have minus 4q. For q, the graph will be like this because it is positive charge. This side also it start like this, but no, here actually we have two null points to be considered. So one is this side, not null point where the potential is 0. Yeah, null point we can call. Since this charge is lower charge compared to this, the exterior point where the electric potential is 0 is this point where electric potential is 0. Yeah, so the graph will be like this. Graph will be like this. Potential. So this side, okay, like this. So this is the point where electric field is 0 because here the slope is 0, so where electric field is also 0. Okay, here electric potential is 0, here electric potential is 0, and this side you can draw like this. Okay, practice this. Next, let us try for this 4q. So both are positive charges, so we will get a graph like this. Okay, so then, sorry, okay, something fell. Okay, let it be. So the lowest point for this will be this side, and it goes like this. So here the potential will be minimum, so where electric field is 0. Okay, this is the equilibrium point, but electric potential is not 0, and this side the graph goes like this. Okay, plus q. Next, minus 4q, sorry, minus 4q and q. So the graph, can I consider like this? Yes, this side I can consider like this. Here the point where electric field is 0 and electric potential, it varies like this. Electric potential is not 0 anywhere. So this is about this, dear student. These are the different cases where we can discuss about electric potential versus distance graph. Practice them well. They'll help you a lot for your NEET and JEE examinations. All the best. If you feel the content is useful, please share it to your friends and make them subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you so much. Good night.